If you had to choose between food and gas for your car, between food and medical care, between food and the roof over your head, what would you choose? Every day, millions of Americans are making these difficult choices. Each month, 34% of households served by the Feeding America network have to make the choice between paying for food and paying for transportation to get to work or school. 31% of households have to choose between paying for medical care and paying for meals. And more than 27% have to make the choice to feed their family or pay for housing for the month. If you had to choose, what would you do? The Feeding America nationwide network of food banks serves every community in America, providing nutritious meals to people struggling with hunger. Together, we can solve hunger in America, so no one has to choose anything ahead of feeding their family. We know the face of hunger is changing. Your neighbor, your coworker, your brother, your grandmother. Every day, people around you could be struggling with those tough choices, and they wouldn't be alone. The Feeding America Hunger in America 2014 study shows that 1 in 7 Americans turns to our network for help each year. That's more than 46 million Americans, including 12 million children and 7 million seniors. The people we serve have jobs, raise families, face health issues, serve our country, and seek education. Today's face of hunger is hardworking and hopeful. Underemployment, stagnant wages, and a rising cost of living have impacted these families and individuals. More than half of households served by the Feeding America network report at least one person working in the past year. The person who has worked the longest is more likely to be employed part-time than full-time, and many are giving back to the country. 20% of households have at least one member that has served in the U.S. military. Our clients struggle with rising medical costs and ongoing health issues. 1 in 3 households has a member living with diabetes. 58% report high blood pressure, and 79% are purchasing cheaper, unhealthy food in an effort to provide enough food for the household. The median monthly household income of Feeding America network clients is $927. Like an increasing number of Americans, the people we serve look to education to improve their lives. 19% of households report having an adult student in the home. With the support of the Feeding America network, families and individuals have the fuel to make positive choices and work toward a better future. Through your neighborhood food pantry, local youth program, nearby senior center, or a meal kitchen, the Feeding America network is helping in your community. We believe everyone can choose to help create a hunger-free America. Individuals, charities, businesses, and government all have a role in ending hunger. Donate, volunteer, advocate, educate. Join us. Together, we can solve hunger.
FoodShare is the food bank for Greater Hartford. We are 50 staff people, 2 facilities, thousands of volunteers, hundreds of local partner programs, dozens of food industry donors, and thousands of supporters, all sharing one vision. When our friends and neighbors fall on hard times, we're there to help them, with food, with a hand up, with hope for the future. We're there for them with enough food for 12 million meals this year. We're there for them with a collaborative network of more than 300 local food pantries, community kitchens, and homeless shelters. We're there for them with millions of pounds of fresh fruits, vegetables, meat, and dairy through our mobile FoodShare trucks. And we don't just provide food for today, we also provide hope for tomorrow. We run groundbreaking programs that help people to get back on their feet, find resources, and rebuild their lives. We've set up 14 local hunger action teams where people in a community come together to find innovative solutions to hunger in their town. And we're just getting started. We have concrete plans and tested programs that will solve hunger in our area. All that's missing is you.